Imagine this. You're floating in space, completely alone. No sound, no air, just silence. And in front of you is a black hole. Not just any object, a place where gravity is so strong, nothing can escape. Not even light. Sounds like science fiction, right? But black holes are real, and today, you're about to find out what would actually happen if you fell into one. First, let's understand what a black hole really is. A black hole forms when a massive star dies, not quietly, but violently, in an explosion called a supernova. After that explosion, the core collapses in on itself, becoming smaller and smaller, and denser, until it creates something with infinite gravity. That's a black hole. At the center is something called a singularity, a point where the laws of physics completely break down. Around it is the event horizon. This is important. The event horizon is the point of no return. Once you cross it, there is no going back. Ever. Now, imagine you're getting closer. At first, nothing seems strange. You're just floating toward a dark sphere. But as you get closer, things begin to change. Time itself starts to behave differently. To someone far away, it would look like you're slowing down. Your movements become slower and slower and slower, until eventually, you appear frozen in time. But for you, everything feels normal. This is because of something called time dilation, a concept from Einstein's theory of relativity. Now you're getting dangerously close. The gravity is no longer equal across your body. Your feet are closer to the black hole than your head, which means your feet feel a stronger pull. And this is where things get terrifying. You start to stretch, literally. Your body is being pulled apart, atom by atom, in a process scientists call spaghettification. Yes, that's the real name. You become longer and thinner, like spaghetti. Not a pleasant way to go. But let's say, somehow, you survive that. You cross the event horizon. At that exact moment, something strange happens. Nothing. No flash, no barrier, no warning sign. You don't feel yourself crossing it. But from this point on, your fate is sealed. Inside the black hole, things get even weirder. Space and time switch roles. Normally, you can move forward or backward in space, but only forward in time. Inside a black hole, you can no longer choose your direction. Moving toward the center, the singularity, becomes as unavoidable as moving forward in time. You cannot stop it. You cannot escape it. It is your future. As you fall deeper, physics begins to break. We don't actually know what happens at the singularity. It's one of the biggest mysteries in science. Some theories suggest you are crushed into infinite density. You are destroyed instantly. Or something even stranger happens, like entering another universe. Yes, some scientists believe black holes could be portals, gateways to other parts of the universe, or even completely different universes. But we don't have proof, because anything that enters a black hole never comes back. Now here's something even crazier. Black holes don't just destroy things, they also slowly disappear. Over time, black holes lose energy through something called Hawking radiation. That means, given enough time, even black holes die. But don't worry, it would take billions, even trillions of years. So what did we learn? Falling into a black hole wouldn't be instant. It would be a slow, strange, and terrifying experience. You would see time distort, be stretched into spaghetti, cross a point of no return, and fall into the unknown. Black holes are one of the most mysterious objects in the universe. They bend space, they distort time, and they challenge everything we think we know about reality. So next time you look up at the night sky, just remember, somewhere out there are places where the universe completely breaks. And if you ever got too close, there would be no coming back.